Humanity's story is written in the earth. Bones and tools are our ancient words. In September 2025, archaeologists in central China unearthed a human skull estimated to be 1 million years old. This find shakes up what we thought we knew about our ancestors' journey. Each curve of the bone offers clues about who this person was and the world they lived in. Exceptionally preserved, the skull from Hubei province gives us a rare, vivid glimpse into a distant era. For scientists, it's like discovering a new planet, an event that could redraw the map of our origins. The story of human evolution is still unfolding, and this skull asks new questions rather than giving final answers. It's more than a scientific curiosity. It's a link to our shared desire to understand where we come from. This ancient relic survived 1 million years waiting to be found. Now it connects us to a forgotten era and reminds us of the resilience of our human family tree. The story it tells is about all of us, our adaptability, our survival, and our shared past. Meet Yunxian Man, named for Yunxian County in China's Hubei province. This skull belongs to Homo erectus, one of our most successful ancestors, upright walkers, fire users, and global pioneers. The discovery was made by a dedicated team after a year of careful excavation in a cave, rich with history. Previous finds hinted at the site's importance, but this skull, announced in September 2025, is nearly complete. Even the lower jaw is intact. Such preservation is almost unheard of for a fossil this old. It gives scientists a detailed three-dimensional look at an ancient human. The skull's features are a mosaic, some typical of Asian Homo erectus, others resembling African fossils. This blend blurs the lines between populations, suggesting a more interconnected ancient world. Yunxian Man isn't just another fossil, it challenges what we thought we knew about early human migration. It hints at a complex web of movement and adaptation across continents. This discovery is a dream for archaeologists and a game-changer for our understanding of human evolution. It opens the door to new questions about our origins. For decades, the out-of-Africa theory has dominated our understanding of human origins. It says, Homo sapiens evolved in Africa, then spread out, replacing older populations like Neanderthals and Homo erectus. Genetic evidence supports this. Our DNA points back to Africa, and genetic diversity is highest there. But the Yunxian Man skull complicates this story. At 1 million years old, it predates Homo sapiens and shows a unique mix of features. This suggests Asian Homo erectus may not have been isolated or simply replaced. Instead, they could have evolved and contributed to the human story in Asia. This challenges the idea of evolutionary dead ends and opens the door to the multi-regional model. That model sees human evolution as a network, with different groups evolving in parallel and sometimes interbreeding. The Yunxian Man discovery forces us to rethink how modern humans emerged. Yunxian Man reignites the debate over our origins. Some scientists, like Professor Wu Xinzi, see it as evidence for regional continuity in East Asia, a line from Homo erectus to modern humans. The skull's unique features fit this idea, suggesting ancestors who didn't just vanish. Maybe our story isn't just out of Africa or multi-regionalism, but a blend of both. Modern humans may have met, mixed, and interbred with other hominins as they spread. The skull lets scientists digitally reconstruct and compare it to fossils from around the world, tracing ancient connections. Still, many researchers urge caution. One skull can't overturn decades of genetic evidence for an African origin. The debate won't be settled soon. It needs more fossils, DNA, and rigorous science. But Yunxian Man has opened a new line of inquiry, ensuring our evolutionary story is far from finished. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our tangled roots. A 1 million-year-old skull might seem remote, but its story is about all of us. It reminds us that our origins are shared, not divided by borders or cultures. The Yunxian Man discovery shows how science evolves. New evidence challenges old ideas and sharpens our understanding. The debate it sparks is a sign of science's strength, always questioning, always learning. This find is also a tribute to human curiosity and perseverance. The archaeologists who uncovered it connect us to our distant past. Every fossil is a victory against forgetting, adding a page to our collective story. Yunxian Man enriches what it means to be human, hinting at a more complex, interconnected past. Whether our origins are simple or tangled, this skull is a vital clue. It reminds us that our history is deep, dramatic, and still unfolding.